Imagine a world where you can earn money without a traditional job. Welcome to the first part of our entrepreneurship series. Today, we're setting out on a journey that starts from zero. No fancy degrees, no big investment, just your willingness to learn and take action. If you've ever wondered how people build their own path and create income streams outside the 9 to 5 grind, you're in the right place. Let's break down what entrepreneurship really means and how you can begin, even if entrepreneurship is all about solving problems and getting paid for it. It's not just about selling products. It's about identifying needs and providing solutions. When you notice a challenge that people face and you figure out a way to fix it, you create value, and that's what people pay for. This mindset shift is key. Focus on helping others, and the money follows. Entrepreneurship isn't reserved for a select few. It's a path anyone can walk if they learn to spot problems and offer solutions. Many people think business is all about selling products, but true entrepreneurship is about solving real needs. When you focus on what people actually require, you become valuable. For example, if someone needs help editing videos and you can provide that service, you're not just selling your time, you're solving their problem. This approach builds trust and long-term relationships, which are the foundation of any successful business. Talk about mindset. A job mindset means working for money and having a fixed income. You trade your time for a paycheck, and there's a sense of security in that. On the other hand, an entrepreneur mindset is about building systems that can generate unlimited income. It's about creating something that works for you, not just working for someone else. While a job offers stability, entrepreneurship offers freedom, but it also comes with risk. Understanding this difference is crucial. Security is one of the main reasons people choose jobs. You know when your next paycheck is coming, and that can be comforting. But with entrepreneurship, you trade some of that security for the possibility of greater freedom. You decide your hours, your projects, and your clients. The risk is higher, but so is the potential reward. If you're willing to step out of your comfort zone, entrepreneurship can open doors you never imagined. There are a lot of myths about starting a business. Some people think you need a lot of money to begin, but that's not true. Others believe you need a degree, but skills are far more important. Many worry that business is too risky, but doing nothing can be even riskier in the long run. The truth is, success in entrepreneurship comes from being consistent, not just being talented. Let's break down these myths and see what really matters. One of the biggest barriers people face is the belief that you need money to start a business. In reality, many successful entrepreneurs began with just their skills. You can start small, offering services like editing, writing, or marketing. As you gain experience and clients, you can reinvest your earnings to grow. The most important investment is in yourself, your skills, and your mindset. Another common myth is that you need a degree to succeed in business. While education is valuable, practical skills are what truly matter. Can you solve problems? Can you communicate well? These abilities will take you much further than a piece of paper. Focus on learning skills that are in demand, and you'll always find opportunities to earn. Many people avoid entrepreneurship because they think it's too risky. But consider this, doing nothing and staying in your comfort zone can be even riskier. The world is changing fast, and those who adapt and learn new skills are the ones who thrive. Taking calculated risks is part of the journey, but the rewards can be life-changing. Success in entrepreneurship isn't about being the most talented person in the room. It's about showing up every day and putting in the work. Consistency beats talent when talent doesn't show up. If you keep learning, improving, and taking action, you'll make progress, even if it's slow at first. The key is to never stop moving forward. There are many ways to start a business. You can offer services like freelancing, editing, or marketing. You can create products such as ebooks or online courses. Content creation is another path. Think YouTube or Instagram. Trading, like buying and selling goods, is also an option. For beginners, starting with services or content is best because they require little to no investment and can be done from anywhere. Service businesses are a great way to start. If you have a skill, like writing, graphic design, or video editing, you can offer it to others and get paid. The best part is, you don't need much money to begin. All you need is your skill and a way to reach clients, such as social media or freelancing platforms. Start small, deliver quality, and build your reputation over time. Product businesses involve creating something once and selling it many times. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even a physical product. The advantage here is scalability. You can reach many customers without increasing your workload. However, creating a product takes time and effort upfront. Focus on solving a specific problem with your product, and you'll find people willing to pay for it. Content businesses are all about sharing knowledge or entertainment online. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram allow you to reach a global audience. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products. The key is to provide value, teach something, inspire, or entertain. Consistency and authenticity are what help you grow your audience over time. Trading businesses involve buying and selling goods for profit. This could be physical products, digital items, or even services. The main skill here is finding good deals and understanding what people want. Trading can be done online or offline, and it's a classic way to start a business with minimal investment if you're smart about your choices. If you're just starting out, service and content businesses are the best option. They require little to no investment and can be started with just your skills and a smartphone or computer. You can begin by offering services like editing or creating content for social media. As you gain experience, you can explore other business types and scale up. Succeed as an entrepreneur, you need a few key skills. Problem solving is at the top of the list. Being able to identify and fix issues is crucial. Communication is also vital, as you'll need to connect with clients and partners. Basic sales skills help you present your value, and consistency ensures you keep moving forward. Finally, a commitment to learning every day will keep you ahead of the curve. Every business starts with a problem that needs solving. The better you are at identifying challenges and coming up with solutions, the more valuable you become. Practice looking for problems in everyday life. What frustrates people? What takes too much time? What could be improved? These are opportunities for you to create value and build a business. Good communication is essential for any entrepreneur. You need to explain your ideas clearly, listen to feedback, and build relationships with clients and partners. Whether you're pitching your service or negotiating a deal, strong communication skills set you apart. Practice speaking, writing, and listening to improve every day. Sales skills are not just for salespeople, they are for everyone who wants to succeed in business. You need to be able to present your value, handle objection, and close deals. Start by learning the basics, understand your customers' needs, show how you can help, and ask for the sale. With practice, you'll get better and more confident. Consistency is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. Show up every day, even when it's hard. Keep learning, improving, and delivering value. Over time, your efforts compound and you'll see results. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress, one step at a time. Entrepreneurship is a journey of continuous learning. The world changes quickly, and new skills are always in demand. Make it a habit to learn something new every day, whether it's reading a book, watching a tutorial, or practicing a skill. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Begin with what you have and improve step by step. Every big business started small. Focus on getting better every day, and soon you'll look back and see how far you've come. Progress is more important than perfection. First step in your action plan is to find a problem worth solving. Look around you. What challenges do people face? What annoys them or wastes their time? These are opportunities for you to step in and offer a solution. The best businesses are built on solving real problems. Once you've found a problem, the next step is to learn a skill that can solve it. This could be anything from video editing to graphic design or marketing. There are countless free resources online to help you learn. The more skilled you become, the more valuable your service will be. Now that you have a skill, it's time to offer your service. Start by reaching out to people who might need your help. Use social media, freelancing websites, or your own network. Don't be afraid to start small. Your first client is just the beginning. Deliver great results and word will spread. There are many free platforms that can help you get started. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or even social media can connect you with clients. Take advantage of these tools to showcase your skills and build your portfolio. The internet has made it easier than ever to start a business with zero investment. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you learn video editing. You start by practicing, then offer your service to friends or small businesses. As you gain experience, you find more clients and start earning. This step-by-step approach works for any skill. Start small, deliver value, and grow your business over time. Many people wait for the perfect timing to start, but the truth is, action is more important than timing. The sooner you begin, the sooner you learn and improve. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take the first step today and adjust your path as you go. Entrepreneurship is a journey, not a destination. You don't need everything to be perfect to start. What matters is taking action and learning along the way. In the next part, we'll explore how to find the best business idea for you. Remember, every big success starts with a single step. Your journey begins now.